Hello guys and welcome back to another matchday video. And as you guys might be able to tell, I am still on vacation right now. I'm in Vancouver and I filmed some great vlogs for you guys to enjoy, and I will post them soon as well. And yeah, this game was played a couple weeks ago and it was cut short 30 minutes by a thunderstorm. It was a tough game versus a tough opponent, so yeah. Uh, let's get into this video, and I hope y'all enjoy this one. Let's go.
Nice, Charlie. Nice! Yes, Charlie.
So here, I came out for the ball, but my midfielder got the ball, and he loses it. But luckily in this situation, we were able to get back the control of the ball. As you can hear, I was doing some communication with my defenders there as well. I said watch that center, but I think my defender should have cut it off that cross, and yeah, it was kind of dangerous and it could have gotten in. And here it was a poor pass from me, but I just feel like my players there could have done a better job controlling the ball and getting to it. But yeah, anyways, we deal with it, but someone goes down inside the box, and yeah. And here it was a horrible free kick by my midfielder, and I am yelling again. And just more panic from my side, and yeah. And here it was a better goal kick from me this time. I got the ball in the air, but my defender definitely should have done a better job controlling the ball there. And here it was a disgusting free kick from my player. He just passes it to the opponent player, but we get away with it, and my defender clears it. And here it's a good try from my striker. He hit the defender, but yeah, we finally got a shot.
He plays strong, so you can play strong too. Yeah. Well done, Jason. There you go.
And here I realized that our 4-4-2 lineup was looking like a 3-5-2, so I went up to tell my players to drop one player back.
Get the back, boy. No shot. Move it down. Take it away. Nice.
And here it was some great defending from my defender, and yeah, we get away with it. And here we just kicked it out, and it wasn't a very good shot at all in the end there, but I feel like my striker could have done a better job there. But anyways, we have to move on with the next one. Here it was not a bad save from me. I feel like it was a decent save, but I feel like I could have held on to it, and it was sort of a bummy one. Here's the replay. Yeah. So I managed to parry it out.
Yes, good pressure, good try, good try. Yes.
Here's some
Hit it.
Good pressure from our striker here, pressuring the defenders.
Good try!
And here's a great try from my player, and we finally got a shot on target and tested their keeper.
Go get it, Charlie. He heads it. Pick it up. Nice.
Nice.
All the way up. Good kick. Who wants it? West, come and get it. Come get it. Control it. Catch it, Charlie.
And here, I just couldn't catch the ball, but I managed to get it out of danger. Yeah, I definitely should have catched that though.
Hit it. Oh,
Nice.
West.
And here was another great try from my player. Yeah, I think it went wide, but nice to get some shots. But here, I couldn't pick up the ball, but my defender did an amazing job defending, and we get away with it. And now the ref blows the whistle for halftime. So halftime, 0-0 at the moment. And yeah, we'll see how we get on with the second half. Yeah, if you're new to the channel, my goal for the number of subscribers is 1,000 subscribers. And if you would like to be the subscriber of the week, all you have to do is to comment a soccer ball in the comment section below and like and subscribe. Yeah, so please do me a favor and break the like and subscribe button. And now, let's get on with the second half. So in the second half, that's when there was some lightning and thunder over the skies.
Good save.
I think that was a decent save from me, but when I made the save, I first thought that I was going wide, but then I realized it was going in. So I was stuck between a punch and a save, and this is what ended up happening, so, yeah. It's actually offside here. I did not just concede that goal, it's offside. And here, we just passed it to their keeper. I think we definitely should have done a better job on the finishing product, but we're gonna have to move on anyways. And here it was some great defending, and also a pretty bad goal kick from me. And right here, I definitely should have saved that. My positioning was off by a mile, and yeah, definitely should have saved that. Now this next clip really annoyed me. Number one, how did they get through with a 1v1 so easily that it was satisfying to watch? And number two, I was so close to saving it, and it was a disgusting shot. It hit me and went in. I definitely should have saved that one all day, but yeah, it was a horrible goal to concede. And here, my striker striked it wide, and I am getting very annoyed. And here it was a pretty close chance, but no one was marking that other striker at the far post, so yeah, it was kind of risky there. Yeah, I definitely should have saved that, but we kind of fell off in the end, so. And then the ref blows the whistle for full time. So yeah, a very tough loss definitely should have saved some of the goals I conceded. And yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this one, please break the subscribe and like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!